Hi, I'm Laura Lauk and I'm a product specialist with the Hubert Company. And today I'm going to show you how to remove the paddle wheel from the Hubert brand cereal dispenser. You're going to want to do this periodically to clean it and also to replace it if you need to. So what you want to do is remove the container from the stand. And you'll notice on the back of the container there's this gasket right here. Just simply remove that. And the handle's going to slide right out. So now you've removed the paddle wheel. And you can clean that nice and easily, as well as the spout is easy to remove, so you can clean that as well. So to replace the paddle wheel after you've cleaned it, you just want to position the spout and then the paddle wheel. The handle has like a half moon shape on it, so you're going to have to line that up with the shape inside the paddle wheel. Just slides right in. And then replace your gasket. And that's it. You're ready to use your cereal dispenser once again. So that's how you disassemble the cereal dispenser so that you can get inside and clean it or replace the paddle wheel. If you have questions about this or any of our other products, just give us a call, and thank you for watching.